Hi there, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to update Twitch app. You can update the app through App Store if you're using an iPhone, or you can update the app using Google Store if you're using an Android. Here, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Here we are on the home screen. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now in the search bar at the top, type Twitch and press the search icon at the bottom right corner. Here you can see app results. Tap on Twitch app. Here you can see app information and check for updates on this page. If an update is available, you'll see an update button next to the Twitch app. If not, it will display open tab. You can tap the update button and wait for the installation to complete if you see an update is available. Or you can enable auto update by tapping on the three dots at the top right corner and selecting enable auto update option. It will ensure that whenever an update is available in the future, the app will update and install on its own. Easy, right? I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video, hit share and subscribe to the channel for more.